In this episode, we are talking about a very special and simple method. It is the 15-minute rule to speak English fluently in just 30 days. Now, you might be asking yourself, Zain, is 15 minutes really enough? Can I truly improve my English in only 15 minutes a day? My answer is yes, absolutely yes. Let me explain why. Many people believe a big myth. They think to speak fluent English, they must study grammar books for 4 hours every day. Or they think they do not have time. They have a busy job, a family, or school. That is not true. My friend, studying for 4 hours on Sunday and doing nothing for the rest of the week does not work. Your brain forgets very quickly. But when you give just 15 minutes every single day, something magical happens. Your brain creates a daily habit. Think about your daily life. 15 minutes is the time you spend scrolling on your phone. 15 minutes is the time you wait for the bus or drink your morning tea. Everyone has 15 minutes. And here is the most important secret I want you to remember today. You do not need to be perfect to start speaking. Learning a language takes time. It is just like planting a small seed and watching it grow into a strong tree. You do not need big fancy words. You do not need to know every grammar rule in the world. You only need simple words, clear thoughts, and small daily practice. Today, I will give you the exact 5-step plan for your daily 15 minutes. By the end of 30 days, you will feel confident. You will feel relaxed. Words will come out of your mouth without fear. Are you ready? Let's begin. Let us break your 15 minutes into 5 simple rules. We are not going to learn long grammar charts. Instead, we will use useful chunks. These are short, practical phrases that you can use immediately. Let us look at the 5 rules together. Rule number 1, the 3-minute listening warm-up. Every day, start with 3 minutes of pure listening. Listen to very easy, clear English, just like this podcast. Do not try to translate every word into your native language. Just listen to the rhythm, listen to the music of the language. Notice how the words connect together. When you listen for just 3 minutes, your ears wake up. Your brain switches directly into English mode. Rule number 2. The 3-minute word chunking. In the next 3 minutes, do not learn single words like coffee, go, or happy. Single words are hard to make sentences with. Instead, learn word chunks. For example, instead of learning the word want, learn the chunk. For example, I want to have. Instead of learning the word busy, learn the chunk. I am a little busy today. When you learn full chunks, you do not have to think about grammar rules when you speak. The whole phrase comes out naturally. Here is a real life example. When you wake up, think, I want to have a cup of tea. It is simple, smooth, and complete. Rule number 3, the 3-minute mirror talk. This is 3 minutes of speaking to yourself in the mirror. Yes, look into your own eyes. Speaking English is physical. Your mouth, your tongue, and your face muscles need exercise. Use simple daily descriptions. Look in the mirror and say, today is a good day. Or look around your room and say, I am standing in my room. The sun is shining. Nobody is judging you. Nobody is laughing you. It is just you building confidence step by step. Next, rule number 4. The 3-minute think in English habit. Now, rule number 4. For 3 minutes, stop translating in your head. When you see an apple, do not think the word in your native language first. Do not translate it to apple in your mind. Just look at it and direct think. This is red. It looks fresh. When you are walking on the street, look around and name simple actions. The car is fast. The weather is nice. I feel happy right now. This trains your brain to connect English directly to your eyes and feelings. There is no slow translation in the middle. Rule number 5. The 3-minute daily review out loud. Finally, the last 3 minutes of your day before you sleep or finish your practice. Speak 3 full sentences about your day out loud. Use this simple formula chunk. Today I did. I feel happy when. Tomorrow I will. For example, today I worked hard. I felt happy when I drank tea. Tomorrow I will learn more English. Look at that. 3 minutes plus 3 minutes plus 3 minutes plus 3 minutes plus 3 minutes. That is exactly 15 minutes. It is simple. It is light. Anyone can do it every single day for 30 days. First of all, I strongly recommend that you start my 21 days English Fluency Shadowing Challenge. And the best part is, it is 100% free of cost. Now, you might ask me, Zain, why should I start this challenge? Let me tell you. If you learn English with a clear step-by-step plan and you practice speaking out loud every day, you truly can speak English fluently in just 30 days. Your speaking confidence will increase so much. Now, let me tell you a short story about one of those students. His name is Marco. 2 years ago, Marco sent me a message. He said, Zain, I have studied English for 5 years in school. I know all the grammar rules, but when a tourist asks me for directions on the street, I freeze. My heart beats fast, and I cannot speak a single word. Marco felt terrible. He thought he was not smart enough. He thought he was too old to learn. I told Marco, stop opening your heavy grammar books for hours. Put them away. Starting tomorrow, you will only practice the 15-minute rule for 30 days. At first, Marco did not believe me, but he agreed to try. On day 1, Marco woke up. He spent 3 minutes listening to a short, easy audio. Then he learned one chunk. Then he stood in front of his bathroom mirror. He smiled at himself and said out loud, "Good morning, Marco. Could you tell me where the coffee is?" He laughed because it felt silly, but he did it. In the afternoon, while walking to work, he did not translate. He looked at the sky and thought, "The sky is blue today. It is a warm morning." Before going to bed, Marco took 3 minutes and said out loud, "Today was a productive day. I practiced my English." Marco did this every day. Day 5, day 12, day 20. On day 28, Marco was standing at a bus station. A woman walked up to him with a map. She looked confused and said, "Excuse me, does this bus go to the city center?" Marco would run away or stay quiet. But this time, his brain did not freeze. His mouth was already used to speaking. He smiled, looked at her, and said smoothly, "Yes, it does. You can take this bus. It arrives in 5 minutes." Then woman smiled and said, "Thank you so much. Your English is very clear." Marco told me that was the happiest day of his life. He did not use complicated words. He used simple, natural English. 15 minutes every day had built his confidence. And if Marco can do it, you can do it too. Now, my dear friends, it is time for the most important part of our podcast. This is our active shadowing practice. Please do not just listen silently in your head. I want you to use your voice. Open your mouth and speak out loud with me right now. Whether you are at home, in your car, or in your room, say it with me. Don't be shy, use your voice. You will start with short sentences and then make them a little longer. I will say the sentence first and then give you a time to repeat it. Let's go. I practice every day. Repeat. I practice every day. Great job. I speak English every day. Repeat. I speak English every day. Very nice. Keep your voice clear. 15 minutes is enough. Repeat. 15 minutes is enough. 15 minutes is enough. Excellent. I learn step by step. I learn step by step. That's it. Say it with confidence. I do not fear mistakes. I do not fear mistakes. I want to improve my speaking skills. I want to improve my speaking skills. Great job. Feel the rhythm of the words. I like to listen to easy English. I like to listen to easy English. Very good. Repeat after me. I think in English every morning. I think in English every morning. Today is a wonderful day to learn. Today is a wonderful day to learn. I am learning to speak step by step. I am learning to speak step by step. I feel more confident when I speak. Great. Say it again with a smile. I feel more confident when I speak. I spend 15 minutes on my English every day. I spend 15 minutes on my English every day. Great. In 30 days, I will speak with more ease. In 30 days, I will speak with more ease. Very nice. Keep going. I am proud of my daily progress. I am proud of my daily progress. Every day, my English is getting better and better. Every day, my English is getting better and better. Amazing word. I believe in myself and I enjoy learning English. I believe in myself and I enjoy learning English. Great. That was 20 sentences spoken out loud. You just train your mouth, your vocal cords, and your brain to speak English naturally. My dear friends, I want to talk directly to your heart for a moment. Sometimes, when you practice, a little voice inside your head might say, "Oh, my accent is not good." Or, "I forgot that word, I am not good at this." I want you to tell that voice, "Stop. Making mistakes is not a sign of failure. Making mistakes is proof that you are trying." When a baby learns to walk, does the baby fall? Yes, many times. Does the mother say, "Stop walking? You are bad at this"? No. The mother smiles and helps the baby stand up again. You are learning a completely new language. That is a brave, beautiful thing. Please do not focus on perfection. Focus on progress. If yesterday you know 10 words and today you know 11 words, you are a winner. If yesterday you were scared to say one sentence and today you repeated 20 sentences with me, you are moving forward. Be kind to yourself. Be patient with yourself. You are doing much better than you think. Now it is time for the daily challenge. Here is your mission for today. It will take only 3 minutes. First, stand in front of your mirror today. Second, look at yourself and smile. Third, say these 3 exact sentences out loud. Sentence number 1, "I am practicing my English today." Sentence number 2, "15 minutes makes me better." Sentence number 3, "I am getting better every single day." Do this challenge today before you go to sleep. Write a comment or note to yourself. Challenge done. You can do it. Let us quickly remember what we learned today. You only need 15 minutes of daily practice. Break it into listening, learning chunks, mirror talk, thinking directly in English, and a quick evening review. Consistency beats hours of boring study. Thank you so much for spending your valuable time with me today. You are fantastic, and your English is growing every single day. Keep learning, keep practicing, keep believing in yourself. I am Zain, and this is Easy English, the podcast. Bye-bye.